Okay, so you join me at the bench test for the relay on the FJR 1300. You also join me with my assistant. I hired him not long ago. He's pretty much useless, but always good to have around. And despite the things I do sometimes, these experiments, I just can't get him away from the danger zones. He just loves being near him. Nothing I can do about it. The more I try, the more he fights to get back. Anyway, back to the test. So we've got the relay here. First and foremost, see, it causes major delays in the workplace. It's not been there that long, it's always a cause of major delays in the workplace. Anyway, we'll test the fuse off first. Got my continuity tester. It's going to be quite tricky without the spare hand, but yeah, we got to believe the fuse is working. The next step is to obviously check if when the ignition switch is pushed, which wires go through here, it goes through this relay first, but I've yet to test this, so I'll do this another day. Let's test this one for now. I'm pretty sure it's dead, but let's see. Okay, so now we've actually got to test the switch, because obviously when the ignition switch is pushed and it comes through here, positive power comes in through here, passes through here, but activate, and obviously we'll go to ground off or wherever on the FJR, but it activates a coil in here, pushing the switch up, joining these two, allowing to do what you saw earlier in the video in a much safer way, less sparky way. Right, so we're going to test the actual relay now. So first and foremost, you want to put a continuity tester here. So if when I activate it, this will tell me if it's actually completing the bridge inside the relay. So bear with me while I do this with one hand. So that side, because this is the side coming from the battery to this post here, and this would essentially be the path to my starter motor. There we go. And now, if I was to I'm essentially replicating what's going on the bike. So essentially, this is me pushing the starter motor. So I have to be very careful not to get these two wires next to each other. That's another bridge and I don't want it. But when I touch this, I should hear a beep. If I don't, relay dead. Let's see what happens. Don't even hear a click or nothing. See a little sparky though when that happened. Camera can get that. There we go. Yeah. That's fully on. So that confirms one dead relay. We'll see effectively what should happen is when that's connected like that and the thing's complete, what should happen is I'll find a piece of metal to activate it. Yes, what should essentially happen is that. So it's not a clean connection because I'm doing it with a spanner, but that's what, when that connection is done, that's what should be happening. But it's not. So yeah, so we've got a dead relay. And one cat causing major delays, yes. It's been in the workforce a couple of weeks now, and the amount of delays he causes. Let's see him again. Would you fire him? Till next time, I'm gonna dissect this thing as well, have a look inside. I've managed to see inside in some areas and it doesn't look pretty in there. Also, this here, if I can get it, but this contact's not looking pretty either. Especially it starts going in, it's not pretty. Same down there, signs of the blue death, as I call it. Just around the edges of that contact, so we'll get in there. I mean, actually, actually, I've just noticed something here. That coil is ridiculously hot. Yeah, that's my, what's it warning me of something there as well. Yes, that relay is now really, really hot. And I mean really hot. Oh, yes. So yeah, there's definitely something not right with this relay. I don't know what exactly, but yeah, it's best to let that cool down. Yes, till next time, we will be testing this one. Hopefully this one's good. That one's dead. And we'll have a look inside these.